Yeah. Every blessing start with a knock. Every breakthrough start with a trial. I've been waiting on this moment. Now I'm knocking on freedom's door. Yeah.
Late nights, early mornings, same dreams, new pain. Cold floors, hot tears, still whisper that change. Yeah, I was boxed in by what I didn't know. Prison in my mind with the door closed. Mama said, son, don't quit on you, even when the world don't see a view. I was walking slow with a heavy chain, but I kept one hand on the promised lane. Every scar taught me where not to hide. Every loss showed me who's still right. I was down on my knees, still standing tall. Now I hear that freedom every time I call. I'm knocking on freedom's door. Ain't begging no more. I earned this road. Every chain I wore, I broke it off. Now I'm reaching for the life I saw. Yeah, I'm knocking on freedom's door. Heartbeat loud, hear the heavens roar. I was bound before, but not no more. Now I'm handcuffed free, and I'm knocking on freedom's door. Used to sleep with the weight of my doubts. Now I wake with a vision mapped out. Old friends stuck where the fear still lives. I had to leave just to learn how to give. Every closed door taught patience to me, hey, hey. Every locked jaw taught faith to me, hey, hey. I seen dreams fade from lack of breath, so I ran full speed from the edge of death. I was talking to God in a broken tone, trying to find light in the heavy zone. Now my footsteps echo a stronger song. Said I wouldn't fold, now I prove me wrong. I'm knocking on freedom's door. Ain't begging no more. I earned this road. Every chain I wore, I broke it off. Now I'm reaching for the life I saw. Yeah, I'm knocking on freedom's door. Heartbeat loud, hear the heavens roar. I was bound before, but not no more. Now I'm handcuffed free, and I'm knocking on freedom's door. Every lock got a key, every shackle gotta loosen on me. Every storm teach you how to breathe, every fall teach you how to leave. Yeah, I've been waiting in the rain so long. Now the clouds part when I sing this song. No more chains on my mindset now. No more fear in my exit route. They try to count me out by my past. I just turned every loss to gas. I don't knock for nothing, I didn't earn it. Every scar still burn when the lesson learned. Now I stand at the door I once just dreamed, with a free heart and a new set of wings. I'm knocking on freedom's door. Ain't begging no more. I earned this road. Yeah. Every chain I wore, I broke it off. Now I'm living the life I saw. Yeah, yeah. I'm knocking on freedom's door. Hear my name echo through the floor. I was bound before, but not no more. Yeah. Now I'm handcuffed free, and I'm knocking on freedom's door. Hey, yeah. freedom ain't luck.